some parts of the world, many cultures consider insects, larvae, and other creepy crawlies to be a delicacy. In fact, a UN report says over 2 billion people around the globe regularly consume bugs. Here are 12 edible bugs to taste around the globe. Witchetty Grubs. This Aussie aboriginal delicacy can be eaten raw or roasted over a fire. They have a rather bland taste, like scrambled eggs, with a slightly nutty note. Honey ants. The abdomen of this ant swells up with a honey-like nectar, like a bug candy with a sugary squirt of flavor. Hormigas Culonas. These are a seasonal snack food in South America. They're usually toasted in oil and salted into crunchy little nuggets that taste kind of like bacon-wrapped pistachio nuts. Crickets, grasshoppers, locusts, and cicadas, often seen around Thailand, Malaysia, Cambodia, Laos, Japan, and Mexico, are mindless munchies that go well with a cold beer and a warm patio. Kazu marzu. This traditional Sardinian cheese is made from sheep's milk that's digested and fermented by the cheese fly larva. It's called formaggio marcio in Italian, which aptly translates to rotten cheese. June bugs. These can be consumed as larvae or as adult bugs and have a vaguely buttery walnut-like taste. Cockroaches. These insects are actually one of the cleanest bugs around, as they primarily eat a fruit and veggie diet. Word is they taste like chicken. Dragonflies. You'll find these palate-pleasing insects around Indonesia and China. Wings are usually plucked off, and then they're fried or grilled over charcoal. Dung beetles. Apparently, they're one of the tastiest insect morsels around, crunchy and chock full of protein. You'll see them on the menu in South America, often mixed into a hearty vegetable and pork stew. Scorpions. There's nothing good, bad, or distinctive about the flavor. They mainly taste like the oil and seasoning they're fried in, although some liken them to crab legs. Bees and wasps. Prized for both their taste and medical qualities, wasp crackers have recently become a novel delicacy in Omachi, Japan, with the visible stripy fellows baked right into the cookie. Silkworms. These larvae are a prolific byproduct of the silk industry. The South Korean dish pyeongdaegi is made of these edible bugs, seasoned and boiled in big cauldrons on the street. The Chinese and Vietnamese prefer their silkworms fried. How about you?